In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an account to Okta Verify. This process is straightforward but crucial for enhancing the security of your online activities, especially if you utilize services secured by Okta. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure you're set up correctly. First, grab your mobile device and find the Okta Verify app. It's usually a blue icon with a white check mark. Go ahead and open the app. Once you're in, you'll see the main interface of Okta Verify. Next, look for the option to Add Account, which is indicated by a plus symbol. If this isn't your first time using the app and you've added accounts before, you might still see that plus symbol at the top or bottom of the screen. Tap it to start the process of adding a new account. Now you'll be presented with two options. You need to choose Organization Account. This is generally the necessary choice for connecting Okta Verify with your workplace or organizational services. Go ahead and tap on Organization Account to proceed. This is where we shift to using a computer. Open your favorite browser and log into your organization's Okta portal. If you aren't sure where to find this, check with your IT department or your organization's internal resources. Once you log in, you should see a screen displaying a QR code. This QR code is key to linking your account on the computer to the app on your phone. Go back to your phone, still within the Okta Verify app, and click on the option that says, Yes, ready to scan. It's time to use your phone's camera to scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen. Hold your phone steady and allow the app to capture the QR code. You may need to allow access to your camera if it's your first time doing this. Once the code is successfully scanned, your device will automatically recognize and add the corresponding account to your Okta Verify app. You should see it appear in the app interface on your phone. It's a seamless process requiring minimal input once you've successfully scanned the QR code. Finally, with the account added, you're all set to use Okta Verify for signing in. From now on, you can conveniently authenticate your sign-ins using either the push notifications or the passcodes provided within Okta Verify. It's just that simple. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made you feel more confident in setting up Okta Verify to secure your accounts. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below or consult your organization's help desk for more personalized assistance.